Thank you for the time today. I wanted to take 5 minutes for a quick overview of the Zscaler Zero Trust Exchange. First, I wanted to open up the exchange and talk about the Zscaler architecture. Zscaler has a global footprint of 150 plus data centers. These data centers aren't just front doors, but are also processing centers for all of your traffic. Each data center has high connectivity links to our partners, such as Microsoft, providing great end user experience with minimal latency. Speaking of latency, let's talk about our security processing. Unlike traditional security appliance chaining, we use a technology called single scan multi-action, which is a fancy way of saying all of our modules fire off at once and render a security verdict in a quick and efficient manner. Now, to gain that security and end user experience value that Zscaler can bring to your business, we need to start by getting your traffic to our cloud. We have 2 ways to accomplish this, and either can be done in whatever order best makes sense for you and your team. First method, for your locations, we can leverage your existing SD-WAN or routing technology to come up with a templated approach to push your traffic to our cloud. Don't just think of your remote locations, but also your large headquarters sites and data centers, either in the public or private cloud. Second, you want to be able to enable your users to be able to work from anywhere with user experience in mind, leveraging the same policies as your locations. We accomplish this by putting our lightweight agent on your machines or mobile devices. Now that the agent is on the device, we need a way to positively verify the end user. For this, we set up authentication through your preferred authentication provider, where we will gain context of your departments and user groups. Now that we have your traffic to the cloud and have positively identified your users and the machines they are connecting with, we need to create a secure means to get your internal traffic back to your internal managed applications without putting the user on the network. Think Zero Trust Network Access. This is done by installing a lightweight virtual machine in either your data center, colo location, or public cloud environment. No worries on them being exposed to the internet. The lightweight VM only needs an outbound connection to the Zscaler cloud to be set up, reducing your company's public attack surface. Once the device connects up, you now have a means to connect your users to your applications through a strict policy based off your identity and device profile. Now that we can globally connect you to your internal applications with high availability and resiliency built in, let's focus on that outbound traffic. With the same identity and traffic configurations, we can enable an advanced security posture to your SaaS applications and outbound traffic flows. Think same policy everywhere. This becomes powerful with our ability to provide infinite scale SSL inspection and features such as, but not limited to, URL filter, DLP, IPS, cloud firewall and sandbox, browser isolation, inline and out-of-band CASB, and so many more. You might say, okay, I have security for my internal access and applications and external applications now. What about my cloud environments? No worries. Whether it's access to your cloud applications, cloud outbound security, misconfiguration in the cloud pushing you out of compliance, or a connection means to stitch your cloud or data centers together, Zscaler Zero Trust Exchange has you covered as your secure transit means. And if you really want to take security to the next level, we can assist in that tough as nails micro-segmentation project you have been struggling with for years in your private or public cloud. Cloud and application security, while being agile, can be simple when done properly. Last, but certainly not least, because we are the exchange point, we can provide user to application experience metrics and access monitoring by proactively monitoring user experience path and availability to your applications, no matter where they reside. With all these metrics, we can provide the business a score of the user experience of their distributed IT environments. With all this power, with just a simple agent and a couple of virtual devices that Zscaler can maintain for you, you can see why Zscaler is a top choice for technology teams to truly enable their workforce. We are making having a secure global footprint simple, but mitigating risk for our customers. Thank you for your time.